Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? AVCT, guys. I think they did a reverse split last week. Didn't matter. Look how many races it's won so far. 9 races so far. Won a bunch of races right off the bat. You can see what happened right here. And then as I was saying, instead of saying, oh man, I guess I've missed this completely, if you had set, at this point on that red bar, maybe set an alert down around that 2 level. That's where it held. And maybe take the trade right around this area, 209, and look at it now. I mean, it's not quite the same percentage from going from 161 all the way to 222, but going from 207 to 233 isn't bad at all. And we don't know where it's going from here. So this is a great example of using the raise. Don't get too upset if you think you missed it at the beginning. Put your price alert and see if it happens, see if it pulls to a level, and then you can take the trade. All right, everybody, we're in the test drive. I want to get back into the trading room, so have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.